In this video, we are going to take a look at the vanishing point filter. This filter allows us to make edits as if we were working on actual objects inside of Photoshop based on perspective. So let's take a look at that. If you go to filter and click on vanishing point, it'll bring up this dialog box. And the first thing that's selected is a create plane tool. And just like perspective tools we've used in the past, we're just going to go ahead and click four corners to create a plane. About right there or so. And then let's go ahead and add to this. So we'll click here. We'll do this other wall. Oh, let's re-click that. Sorry, it went back to the selection tool. So we'll reselect that tool, and then we're going to create this, select this other wall here, create a plane for it. And it's going to snap to that wall there. Okay, now it's created these two planes and it's looking at this and it's going to give me the ability to paint as if we were painting on these planes. So if I select the brush tool, and you can change some options here, healing, hardness, diameter, opacity, and the color. But if you see, if I start painting, it actually treats this like I'm painting on this plane and not on the image itself. And when I come around the corners, it makes that corner as if I was spray painting really onto this graphic. So it gives us a way to manipulate and edit an object based on more of a 3D transform. So if I pick something like the stamp tool and say I wanted to mimic this wall to the other side, I could go ahead and take a sample of this wall right here. You can see it's become my brush now. And then I can come over here and start painting in. And you can see, well, we got a little bit of the door there, but you can see basically how we could paint this information in, and it works on it as if it was a 3D building. So that gives us the ability to make manipulations based on perspective with these different tools here. You have selection tools, marquee tools, the eyedropper tool, and the measure tool. So you don't have all your tools available to you, but you do have enough to where you could use these to make adjustments. When you hit OK, it'll save those out, and then you can continue working as if you were in a normal, Photoshop file, but that tool gives you the ability to paint as if you were working directly on these walls and not on a photograph.